my name is Sullivan Goodrow, and I'm a senior at Kenna High School in North Conway, New Hampshire. I'd just like to say welcome to the first ever video in this series I'll be making with the Mount Washington Observatory. I'd like to make this video just to showcase how easy it is to start fundraising and register for this year's Seek the Peak event. If you don't already know, Seek the Peak is the nation's premier hiking event. Hundreds and hundreds of people pour into the Mount Washington Valley through July 19th and 20th. They all come to hike Mount Washington and our other peaks just to help fundraise and support the Mount Washington Observatory. Such support and fundraising is important because it's very hard to keep such a facility running year-round. So trust me, I know, registering and signing up can seem like a daunting task, so I'm here to show you how easy it is to sign up for Seek the Peak. So let's just jump right into it. So just come to our website, seekthepeak.org, and navigate your way to the registration section. And here it's going to prompt you to choose an option, whether you want to be a fundraising participant or a non-fundraising participant. Obviously, this one's the better option. Then it's going to prompt you to put in your email address, just in case you've already made an account with us. I have, so it kind of already knows that. Create an account, and then you can create an account either with your email and creating a password, or you can do it super easily with Gmail and Facebook. I'm going to use Gmail because it's just going to be way easier that way. All right, and now it's going to prompt you to either join a team, an existing team, to fundraise with. You can even create your own if you'd like, or you can fundraise that as an individual. We're going to do that option. Click continue. You can choose whether or not to be a hiker or a virtual hiker. In our situation, we're going to do this. Then fill in your address, all this basic information, your fundraising goal. Obviously, strive for more than what you put in here. But yeah, here is where you can put in money you'd like to donate right off the bat right now. And then just choose how many years you've been hiking for, your t-shirt size, your age, and then how you heard of Seek the Peak, how you heard of us. I'm going to say social media, and then agree to this waiver and continue. All right, and finally, there is a registration fee of $10. And I'm just going to put in, gotcha. Of course, I'm not going to do that. So just put in your credit card information. It's only $10, and ultimately that $10 is actually going to go towards your fundraising goal. So yeah, that's it. I told you it was super simple. All right, remember, go to seekthepeak.org to register. It really only takes less than 5 minutes. And stay tuned for more of my videos. You won't want to miss something. All right, thank you.